the owl.
Look at the owl.
Excuse
You
me.
see the owl, and I think there's a.
There. I feel it.
Lah.
Alligator, small one. Compared to what we see in the Philippines.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the Philippines has a lot than big.
Oh yeah, one of the alligator pit.
Alligator.
Throw chicken in, they go crazy.
Oh yeah, with pieces.
Punta na tayo dito guys. So nagtalig-shake siya. Ay, look at the geese. White geese. A swan? It's a swan. It's not a geese. Big swan.
You're so
Big
pretty.
swan.
All animals.
There. So papunta tayo ng ano guys, train. And then they fall in
kind of
line in
sprinkles.
there. So it's fine. So hindi siya maraming tao pa dito. Kasi maaga-aga pa. Medyo maaga pa.
Actually, they're gonna stop sprinkling.
Big, really big for the back.
What is it?
See the black stripe on the side? What's that over there?
What? Ah, yeah, it's big.
Uh-huh.
What is this? Look at the fish. It's big.
That's a carp.
I gotta be honest, is it a catfish?
That's, no, it's carp.
Oh. I've always hated catfish.
Huh? Tambukay ko lang ano. So yan yung mga ano guys, oh, flamingo. Ano, mura na sila statuwa lang. Uy, buhi na sila lang. O nga na ginana lagi na sila.
Natog. They're sleeping.
Kaya na din sila matulog. So ayan guys. Yan yung flamingo. So ito yung surrounding nila. Yan.
Look, there's a flamingo like, looking at Ethan. There's a flamingo looking
Let's
at
see the
Ethan.
reaction of Ethan. So ito dito. Yan siya. So yan. So we have to wait for the train guys. So we're gonna ride.
The train don't come with the admission price?
Ride token.
Here are my glasses.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you guys here.
Oh, so we're gonna put some tokens in there.
I'll wait for you guys here. I don't want to go in the...
So yan dyan guys, fall in line. Start here and there. The train.
What?
That one, I think.
Tickets. Those are, you got tokens, that's good, because those tickets are the ones you get used to get in the zoo. 4 of you?
Yes.
Stop pushing me. Geese is here. Yeah. What?
Hey, up there. Look there, huh? Shoot it. Man.
Yeah. I see.
Just take a picture. Wait.
In 1955 as the Jimmy Morgan Zoo. Since our opening, the zoo has undergone many changes, but we have remained committed to providing the best care for our resident animals and working for the conservation of those in the wild. Zoos have come a long way since the animal menageries of the past. Way back when Miss Fancy the elephant was wandering the neighborhoods of Birmingham, zoos were mainly a place for entertainment. Now, modern zoos, while still a place to have a fun day out with family and friends, have shifted our focus to protecting species from extinction, conserving wild places, and providing the best lives possible for our resident animals. The Birmingham Zoo is accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, which means that we meet the highest standards of animal care and welfare and provide a fun, safe, and educational experience for our guests. Continuing our backstage tour of your Birmingham Zoo, to the left, you may be able to catch a glimpse of our reticulated giraffe herd. Giraffes are a crowd favorite here and are a great example of our internet. The interactions we see between our elephants give researchers all over the world a better idea of how male elephants relate to one another and how to better care for elephants in the wild and in human care. Our bachelor herd is a perfect fit for young elephants as they grow into the breeding herd through the species survival plan. The Robert Meyer Foundation Large Animal Information and Research Center on the left side of the train crossing is where our elephants live when not in their main habitat, and this is where new elephants will stay as they get accustomed to their new home. This state-of-the-art building is equipped with the tools to help us care for our largest residents, weighing in at over 10,000 pounds. The building has both indoor and outdoor stalls, heated sand and heated concrete floors that allow our elephants to get comfy when it's cold out. This space also gives our animal care professionals a safe way to care for our elephants through a barrier to do routine care like foot and tusk maintenance, masks, and medical procedures. In just a few moments, we'll be passing the eastern end of the trails of Africa. This area is home to the zoo's black rhinoceros. As with all species of rhinos, black rhinos are facing increased pressures in the wild with habitat loss and poaching. The Association of Zoos and Aquariums works to ensure that animals like black rhinos and their wild and allowing your Birmingham Zoo to inspire passion to conserve the natural world. You can apply today's admission towards the purchase of a Birmingham Zoo membership. As a member, you get free admission to your zoo all year and discounted admission to special events, camps, and classes. Simply visit the membership office on your way out today. Now, as we near the end of our journey, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. At that time, you may exit to the right. If you have any questions about the rest of your day here at the zoo, be sure to check in with your train conductor or any other zoo staff. We hope you have a great time during the remainder of your visit, and thank you for riding the Red Diamond Express.